guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're removing a package unit at a commercial site. And there it goes. There's a crane. There he goes. The compressor went bad, had leaks in the coil, so we're replacing it with a brand new unit here. You'll see in the next video. But here it goes down. That's where we're gonna set it. Crane guy. The other one is over there in the back of the truck. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration, and plumbing needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.